Isn't that a handsome boy? That's a handsome boy. Hey, just thought I'd show you my addition. And this was inspired by Randy J. He said I should have hinged this, what that I added for the new All-American Sun oven, and that would have been a good idea. And I would have undone it and hinged it, but I used wood glue to put that down there along with some screws. So I hinged this, and this is where I will keep my utensils so somebody doesn't walk by and lick them when they're hanging on them hooks right there. And while I was at it, I went ahead and put a paper towel holder here. So there you go.